Hi, welcome to Slow English with Brian. I'm Brian. In this video, we are going to talk about living in cities. I used to live in a city, but I don't anymore. But let's talk about my life and your lives in the city. Before I moved to my wife's hometown, I lived in Hanoi in Vietnam. I taught English there in the middle of the city. In Vietnam, the roads have many motorbikes on them. Take a look at this picture here. That is very common to see in Hanoi. When I came to Vietnam and saw the roads like this, I was very afraid when I drove. But over time, I became more and more comfortable. Now, when I drive, it feels easy and I like it. It's fun for me to drive in traffic like this. What do the roads in your city look like if you live in a city? Do they have many cars or have many motorbikes like Vietnam? Or is there a mix of cars and motorbikes? Please tell me in the comments below. When I lived in Hanoi, I lived in apartments. Usually, the apartments were in skyscrapers or high-rises. They are similar. Skyscrapers are taller. Do you live in a skyscraper or a high-rise? You can say, yes, I do live in a building like that. Or you can say, no, I live in a different kind of building. When I lived in the city, I enjoyed visiting many different restaurants and shops. In a big city like Hanoi, you can eat lunch at a different restaurant every day. What about you? Do you eat lunch in restaurants or in many different restaurants like I used to? Or do you eat at home? Please tell me in the comments below. Before I finish this video, I want to talk about how to say city. There is the letter T in that word, but as an American, I say it like the letter D. I say city. Both are okay. You can say city or city. But if you are trying to sound like an American, like me, it is better to say city. That's all for this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.